How are you all doing? My name is Naomi and today we will learn how to do a little business by doing some costing and profit. An example that we are going to use is salted egg. It is a food that most of us are familiar with and fond of. It is quite easy to do and if done right, could really be profitable. I will be showing the process and later on discuss the costing and profit.
Here are the materials that we are going to use. 4 pieces of eggs, 1/2 cup of salt, 2 cups of water, jar with lid, saucepan, ladle, and funnel. Let's start cooking. First, wash the eggs with water. Afterwards, put them in a jar or container with a lid. We'll now make a brine solution. Boil the 2 cups of water in a saucepan, then pour the salt and dissolve it. You may need to do a little stirring using a ladle. Once completely dissolved, remove the saucepan from the fire and let it cool. Pour the brine solution in a jar of eggs, making sure that all are submerged in water. Cover the jar again and store in a dark place for at least 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, take the eggs out of the jar and boil them. Let them cool, then store them in the fridge. Add the total cost of 38 pesos to the 15% profit of 5 pesos and 70 centavos to get a total selling price of 43 pesos and 70 centavos. You can sell 11 pesos per piece.
So there you have it. It may not be that much but it's a start. Like the Greek book says, do not despise small beginnings. Who knows? We might be starting a salted egg empire. I hope you've learned as much as I did today. See you next time!